What if I told you that you could own a fourplex in West San Jose right by Apple and Nvidia for less than the cost of a starter home in the same neighborhood? Well, that's what we have here. So welcome to 630 Bolton Court in San Jose, California, 95129. This property is bordering Santa Clara and Cupertino in the sought-after Strawberry Park area. This is a rare multi-unit property that sits in the Moreland School District. It's just minutes from 280, it's minutes from top tech campuses, and everything from shopping and dining and parks all within a walking distance. It's in a good condition, but here's the kicker. It's got room to modernize, giving you the shot to build real sweat equity. So you can live in one unit, rent out the rest, or you can rent out all 4 units. Every single one of them has designated parking. It has on-site laundry. Every unit has outdoor space, and it's really this smart mix of 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and 1 bedroom layouts, which is ideal for a strong rentability in such a high demand area. If you have any questions about this property, please feel free to reach out to me at the number that's on the screen.